Hey everyone, welcome to Dad's RC Workbench. Just wanted to show you I installed the IFS kit in the front and just put my AXE R2 3300 kV setup, the ESC up front. Hopefully that'll work out. Hopefully it won't pinch a wire or break a solder joint. See how that works out. Got my switch on the other side, and then hopefully either 3D design and 3D print a mount to put the ESC right here on the transmission, or I think guy already did it. His name is Chappelle. He's got one he can print out and send to you when you buy it. And I put the receiver here. In the past I had the 1080 up here, but everything's kind of low profile, so it worked. But that was when I had the solid axle, so the geometry was a little different up front. Yeah, looking forward to it. I haven't run it yet. It's at night. I don't have any lights on it, so I'll try it tomorrow. Yeah, something different. I know people love it or hate it. We'll try it out. So just wanted to show it off. If you guys have the IFS kit or have an opinion about it, leave a comment please. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.